Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on how to generate images in Chatgpt. If you have ever wondered how can I generate realistic images from textual descriptions, then stay tuned as we dive into the world of image generation with Chatgpt. Navigate to the Chatgpt website at openai.com. Once you are on the home page, you will see the Try Chatgpt button on the left corner of the screen. Click on it. You will be redirected then to the login page. Here to sign in, you need to click on the login button. You will need to enter your registered email address or username and password, and then press continue button to log in. Open a new tab and type DAL-E2 and click on the first title. Once you are on the main page, click on the Try DAL-E button and you will be redirected into the prompt to insert the text into. Step 1. Choose your prompt. The first step in generating images with ChatGPT is to choose a textual prompt that describes the image you want to create. For example, you could use a prompt like a red rose on a green stem in a vase or a snowy mountain with a lake in the foreground. The more specific and detailed your prompt, the better the resulting image will be. Step 2. Connect to the API. Next, for this feature to be used in chat, you need the premium version of ChatGPT Plus, which is $20 per month. A free solution provided with the same precision and the same company, which is OpenAI, is DALL-E2. Step 3. Generate the image. Now comes the fun part, generating the image. Once you have sent your prompt to the ChatGPT API, it will use its deep learning algorithms to generate a realistic image based on your prompt. The process may take few minutes, depending on the complexity of your prompt, but in the step 4, you can view and save the image. Once the image is generated, you can view it on your computer or device. You can also save the image in various file formats such as JPG or PNG. And that's it. You have now generated an image using ChatGPT. And that's all there is to it. We hope this tutorial has given you a good understanding of how to generate images using ChatGPT. Thank you for watching and see you soon.